As high as an 11-story building and nearly 4 city blocks long, the Titanic was one of the largest and most magnificent ships in the world. Only a few days after her maiden voyage in 1912, the Titanic collided with an iceberg and sank. Her final resting place is 13,000 feet below sea level, 400 miles off the coast of Newfoundland. There were far too few lifeboats on board, and hardly any were filled to capacity. As a result, roughly 700 of the 2,224 passengers survived the wreck. They were picked up by the Carpathia, a nearby ship. Among those who died was John Jacob Astor IV, 1864 to 1912, a rich and powerful American financier. Also lost in the Titanic disaster, Benjamin Guggenheim, 1865 to 1912, was the heir to a mining fortune, and member of one of New York's most influential families. Milvina Dean, 1912 to 2009, staring through an original Titanic porthole, was only a few months old when she boarded the Titanic with her family. She was the youngest survivor of the wreck. Found among the wreckage of the Titanic were thousands of personal items belonging to the ship and its passengers. Pictured is a collection of pocket watches. This ornate staircase, decorated with a cherub lamp, led to a luxurious dining room. This cherub was recovered from the wreckage. And this is the main dining room of the Titanic. China dishes are part of the debris left from the wreck of the Titanic. And the several forks and a butter knife recovered from the wreck.